Hello traders, before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Now, jumping into this review, this is Ultimate SMC EA for MT5, developed by Haida Lionel Haj Ali. And right here on the MQL5 Marketplace page, I can see it's currently priced at 249 US dollars, with a rental option of 99 US dollars going for 3 months. Okay, and we can see that the current version is 2.0, updated in January 2026. So at first glance, this EA is positioned as a smart money concepts trading framework rather than a simple automated system. It is designed for traders who already understand SMC methodology and want to automate parts of that process inside MetaTrader 5. As I scroll through the description, one of the key things highlighted is that the EA is built around market structure and concepts like liquidity, fair value gaps, and premium and discount zones. Okay, so the idea here is that it tries to translate those SMC principles into automated trade execution and management. Now, looking at the feature breakdown, I can see there is a strong focus on visual trading and panel based control. All right. This means traders are able to monitor and manage setups directly from the chart interface, which helps keep everything more organized during active trading. There is also a trading schedule system included, which allows you to define when the EA is allowed to operate. This is important because SMC strategies often depend on specific market sessions and timing conditions. Moving further, I can see multiple entry strategies um, mentioned, including concepts like fair value gaps, breaker blocks, optimal trade entries, and premium or discount zones. These are all different ways of interpreting market structure, and the EA allows the user to select how entries are triggered based on those models. There is also a multi-time frame filtering mentioned, which means entries can be confirmed across higher or additional time frames to improve structure alignment before trades are executed. Now, on the trade management side, I can see features like partial take profits, trailing stops, and automated exit rules. So these tools are mainly designed to help manage trades once they are active rather than relying on manual intervention. Risk management is also a major part of this EA, with controls for daily drawdown limits, profit targets, and trade restrictions based on session performance. This is clearly aimed at maintaining capital protection while still allowing structured trading activity. Okay, so there are also news filters included, which help prevent trading during high impact market events. And this is often important for SMC based strategies that rely on cleaner market conditions. Now, before we move into the backtesting section, it's worth noting that the EA is recommended for traders who already understand smart money concepts. And it also mentions the use of predefined set files depending on the strategy being applied. So, moving into the historical backtesting section, I'm now reviewing how the EA behaves during completed market conditions using the available historical data. We are going to be testing the Ultimate SMC EA on the XAU USD asset, and we're just going to be using the H1 time frame. All right, so we ran the back test from the beginning of the year 2020, 1st January 2026 till date, so we can get the reasonable data for the back testing. As for the delays, we're using the last ping to the server. We're using the every tick modeling as well. All right, now let us just let us just run the test immediately. Okay, So let us see how the EA performed over the space of about 4.5 months, which is the duration that we are using for the testing. Okay, so based on the results that we're having here, the EA didn't execute any trade. Okay, it didn't execute any trade because we can see initial deposit $100,000, total net profit is zero. All right, but let's just go change the assets. Perhaps we can try running the test on another asset. Maybe we can also change the time frame. All right, and let's see what we have. Okay, so ideally, we ought to look at the chart activity and try to understand the execution style and all of that. Okay, but if we do not have any trade taken, then I guess we'll just have to move forward. All right, so here again, we didn't have any single trade taken. All right, but I'm going to recommend running longer term testing yourself. The period that we used for the testing was from 1st January 2026 till date, and the current date we can see 19th May 2026. So you can actually run the test over a longer period of time, to get a more comprehensive result. All right, if you are really interested in this EA, maybe you can even run the back testing over a few years, and you can try to run it across different symbols and different time frames depending on the kind of trader you are. Right, if you are a scalper, maybe you can focus on smaller time frames, right? But since it is an expert advisor, it might not really matter whether you are a scalper or a swing trader, because the EA is the one doing the job, right? So you can just run it across different time frames, and you know and know if you will be interested in the kind of results that you see. Okay, because this system is built around multiple SMC concepts like structure blocks, fair value gaps, and liquidity areas, the historical behavior reflects a more structured and conditional approach to entries rather than random execution. Now, as always, historical backtest results, with historical backtest results, it is important to understand that performance can vary depending on risk settings, lot size, broker execution, spreads, slippage, and overall market conditions. Okay, so like I already said, I'll still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well, so that you can get a more complete understanding of how the EA behaves across different market phases. So overall, the ultimate SMC EA for MT5 is positioned as a structured smart money concept automation tool designed for traders who already understand SMC trading and want a system that helps execute and manage those ideas more efficiently. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.